Now we can get straight to the bit where I say, that's amazing.
There are plenty of delicious dishes doing the rounds on TikTok, but this recipe claims it can produce a marriage proposal. It's called Marry Me Chicken, and it's become so popular online, it's now had billions of views.
Billions, topped with sun-dried tomatoes and a creamy garlic sauce. You can see why this one-pot wonder is the latest food fad, because it's fabulous.
Fabulous. Here to show us how his content creator and TV favourite, Steph De Sousa.
Hey.
Steph cooks stuff. Hello, Steph.
How are you?
Can you cook this for us, please?
Absolutely, I can. And it's so easy, as usual. It's just a few ingredients and a quick cook. So I've already cooked off the mushrooms in here because that was going to take too long.
Yes.
And I've also cooked off the chicken. So these are just chicken thighs that I have rolled in some salt and pepper and flour and just pan-fried in some olive oil. That's
Thighs best for this?
I think thighs are always tastier, but, you know, some people are fussy and only eat breast, so whatever you like, really. It really doesn't make any difference whatsoever. Personal preference. So you don't have to cook them all the way through because you're going to finish cooking the chicken in the sauce.
Okay, so lightly fried in the pan.
Yeah, just till it's nice and brown because brown things taste better. Okay. So I've lightly fried the mushrooms.
Yes.
And then to that, I am going to add a couple of tablespoons of just some garlic, some nice fresh garlic, some dried thyme. If you've got fresh thyme, that's fine, but dried is also...
Did you sit that garlic overnight in some oil or something?
I did, just so it stayed not discoloured, because sometimes if you cut garlic up, it can go a little bit green. I think that sounds a bit odd. So yes, some thyme, a little bit of salt. Oh, look, that wasn't...
Go for it.
That was not generous enough with the salt. Yeah, we all know we like salt. Some pepper, and then I've got a jar of sun-dried tomatoes. You can also use sun-dried tomato pesto for this. It's also very good.
Okay.
Pop that in as well.
But that's a nice consistency in the dish anyway.
Yeah, it absolutely is. But with the pesto, it actually goes a really nice colour. So come see,
and then we're also putting the oil from the tomatoes in?
Well, what I've done is I've cooked the mushrooms in a little bit of that sun-dried tomato oil.
Oh, that's a good
and then
tip,
I've drained off what I haven't used and then just popped the sun-dried tomatoes in. Then we've got a big bowl of spinach because health, right? You know, you've got to...
So don't forget health.
Don't forget health.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I'm all into that, right?
Right.
And then I've just got...
Still on the health.
300 mils of cream. So that goes in there too. And then what I'm going to do is cook that down a little bit. And because it's TV Land, we don't really have time to wait for that. And then what I'm going to do is place this chicken in there, pop a lid on the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes, just let it simmer and bubble and bubble away, and then you get...
Ta-da.
Magic!
Now, I don't want to steal away from your magical recipe, but if you didn't want to do the bucket of cream, is there something else you can do?
You could use chicken stock, but it wouldn't taste the same.
Wouldn't be the same.
No. But you can halve it. You can halve the cream. Use half cream and half stock if you wanted to cut down.
Yeah, just if someone wants to do
Hang on, I'm noticing this pasta. You didn't mention the pasta.
No, I didn't, because you don't have to have it with pasta.
Yeah.
You could have it with potatoes, you could have it with pasta, you could have it with rice, whatever, or you could have it on its own if you're like a keto person.
Yes.
But I like to have it with pasta.
Why do they call it Marry Me Chicken?
They call it Marry Me Chicken because it is supposed to be so good that people go, oh my God, that is so good, I would marry you for that.
Steph, what I love about your recipes is it's kind of simple. Like there's nothing hard in that, so I think we could all master it. Your book is going gangbusters. Can we talk about your book?
Yes, can I show you?
Yes, absolutely.
I have a little secret one I prepared earlier.
Yes, here it is here.
I know, it's on pre-sales right now and it is, oh my God, it's blowing my brain. It is going so well. I'm so excited. It'll be on the shops, in the shops on the 3rd of April, but right now you can buy it from my website. The link's in my bio, all that kind of stuff.
Now, last time you were on the show, this is fun, you asked our audience to vote on the cover for your new book.
I did, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
That was the winner.
This is the winner.
That was the winner.
Let me have a closer look.
Polka dots.
The polka dot dress with the stripy glasses.
Yes.
Because you have quite the collection of glasses.
I do have quite the collection. I probably have about 50 pairs, I think.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. But I have my favourites that I kind of stick with all the time.
I think you wear those a lot.
Yeah, these are my favourites. Because you know why?
Why?
I'm a little bit old now. I need bifocals, and they're not all bifocals. So if I need to be able to read, I have to wear the faithfuls.
Okay, right.
You know what I mean?
Okay, well, Larry is going to give it the official taste test.
Drum roll. Not that you haven't already eaten a bowl, though, to be honest.
I do.
Let's be...
Okay, are you going to get down?
I do.
Get down on one